Good morning. It's about 8:20. Yeah, it's about 8:20 and I'm just about to make my way to Stratford to go and have my locks fixed. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I'm a little bit nervous as well, but it should all go well. The lady that you meet her when I get there. She is so lovely and positive, and I feel like that's the kind of person that I definitely need, I don't know, around me, in my hair. Like, she's so positive. She tells me I'm beautiful all the time, tells me she appreciates me, and she doesn't even know me, and it does make me a little bit emotional. I don't know why. Obviously because I've lost my confidence. I lost a lot of my confidence with my hair being the way it is, but the way that she just speaks on to me is in such a lovely way that, I don't know, just, yeah, it's making me a little bit emotional. Probably overreacting, but yeah, so I'm just gonna make my way now. My son is with his dad. His dad took the day off so that he could watch him for me, so that I can get my hair done in peace and not have to worry. So they're gonna spend the day together, and then I should be home soon, hopefully. So I'm finally here. It's I've got 5 minutes till my appointment starts. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go in now.
Okay, so stand up for me. Let me get, because you're the whole vlogging type.
Yeah.
I assume that you love taking pictures.
Yes, I do.
So let's get them before, okay, and after.
Researching Locs a bit more as well, and understanding the mistakes I've made with mine.
Research UK Sister Loc tool. They have another tool, but I don't like. This is another tool.
That's the one I use, the London Loc tool.
Me don't like this.
Me too.
It gets stuck.
Yeah.
Like that's why I have so many different tools that I tried out. But this one's still my favorite. It allows me to work faster. Even though when I work fast it drops, but it's still my favorite tool. That looks like a great Insta pic. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate you, yeah?
So I finished getting my hair done. Can you do
oh, so you're not going to do your face then?
Damn! Yeah, I'm going to do my face. I'm gonna do draw up after. She repaired this one. I'll insert some pictures as well. This was, oh no, this is not this one. This was a repair. This was quite an extensive repair. That one there. Yeah, so this is where the main problems were. All along my hairline. But yeah, she's fixed all of these. She had to combine quite a few just to give them a stronger base. But they'll grow back. They'll grow back. Where is it? Ones like that. But yeah, they'll all grow back. But what the main thing is that the foundation is really good. So yes, I'm happy with them.